I wish I could have a friend.
Hey, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Hey, oh, class, I need someone to do me a favor. We will be looking at the handout today, but I didn't bring enough copies. Can someone help me?
Go yourself. No.
No? Oh, Jessica, it's very nice of you. The other copies are in the pink box as the seat in my office. Thank you.
Hey, Vicky, wake up. Go to our classroom. Hey, Vicky, go to our classroom. It's time for class.
Oh my goodness. Really? I didn't bring my pencil case.
Class, please quiet down. The test is about to begin. You should not talk after you get your piece of answer sheet.
Hey, if you don't mind, I have an extra pen.
Thank you very much.
Never mind.
I even can't remember her name.
Hey, Vicky, here's the note from the class you missed yesterday. Maybe you need it.
I'm going to eat some pasta with French fries. But I only have $4.
Let me look at
I don't have enough
money either.
Oh, I don't have enough money for my lunch. Hey, I have some money. Do you need it? Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Yay, I can buy my lunch.
Happy birthday!
for you. Wow, they're so beautiful.